Flawless, long-lasting makeup is always desired by every woman who loves to do makeup. But getting this flawless look is not possible if you don't follow every step properly. Most people tend to skip a primer in their makeup routine as they think that it won't be a worthy deal. But in reality, primer is the base of long-lasting makeup. It creates a thin layer between skin and foundation, creating a better grip on makeup. So if you tend to skip the primer in your makeup steps, then you need to reconsider your decision. Use a primer by following the tips and tricks we share, and you'll see the difference in your face on your own. Face primer tips and tricks. Get a primer that matches your skin type. Primers generally come in two formulas. One is silicone-based and the other is water-based. Depending on your skin type, you have to choose the right primer for your skin. If you have sensitive or oily skin on the surface, a water-based primer will suit you the best. And for dry or normal skin, you should offer a silicone-based primer. Get a primer for acne as well. Acne is an all-time enemy of a flawless makeup look. With acne-prone skin, makeup doesn't even look even and long-lasting. So get a primer that has acne-fighting properties and gives you a smooth surface on your face. Invest in a quality primer. Cheap quality products never give the desired result you want. Especially when you have sensitive or oily skin, you must go for a quality primer. Apply primer on dry skin. Damp skin cannot absorb the primer in the way that it is supposed to be. Applying the primer to moist skin won't give you better makeup results. Wait until your skin is dry, or in case of a hurry, use powder on your skin. Less is more. Apart from using a heavy amount of primer, you just need a pea-sized primer for covering all over your face. The less you use primer, the smoother skin surface you get. Use your fingers. Keep your brushes and sponges for the foundation. Primer application works best when applied by your finger on your skin. It's all in the rubbing technique. The best results only come out when you use the right application method. For getting a smooth, nice texture on your skin, you need to rub primer in a circular motion. Refrain from patting primer as it creates an uneven texture on your face. Allow your primer to dry completely. After applying primer, you should take a 60-second break and let your primer dry completely. Otherwise, you won't be able to see fine lines and imperfections popping on your face. Drying your primer allows you to understand if there is more work to do. Use powder between primer and foundation. Using a liquid over another liquid doesn't make any sense and ends up with a cake-like appearance on your skin. Instead of that, try a powder between your primer and foundation. It will give you a dry canvas to apply further makeup and end up in a perfect look. Combine your primer with a good toner. Combining your primer with a good toner may give a better result on your appearance. It'll create a nice even tone on your skin and will make your face look amazing. So these are the keys to using a primer in the right way. If you are still confused about picking up the right primer for your skin, then you should check out our list of 5 best face primers for long-lasting makeup.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
For hydrating your skin, you can grab a primer infused with grapes and vitamins A, C, and E, like e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. This e.l.f. primer transforms your skin into a flawless, smooth canvas while ensuring long-lasting makeup application. Also, this great formula hydrates your skin while boosting complexion and gives a better makeup look. Those who have a dull complexion may be looking for a primer with brightening properties. With Becca's First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh, your search may come to an end. This First Light Priming Filter instantly brightens your skin with cool light technology. As being infused with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, this lavender primer provides a smooth and ready-to-makeup skin for all skin tones. Also, Becca Primer has been formulated with prickly pear, ginger, and a refreshing citrus scent to awaken your senses. Hydrating your skin is always important to get a refreshed, healthy skin, especially for dry and normal skin. It will be great to use a hydrating, nutrient-rich formula like Marc Jacobs Beauty Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. This primer is enriched with concentrated coconut extracts, which form a natural vitamin-rich barrier between your skin and makeup. This Undercover Coconut Face Primer gives a refreshing feel to the face while creating a smooth and improved skin surface before foundation application. Pores always come in the way of long-lasting smooth texture makeup. Get Benefit Cosmetics the POREfessional Face Primer to quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines and get smoother than smooth looking skin. The POREfessional Face Primer has an oil-free translucent formula that comes in the form of a balm. You can apply this silky lightweight balm under or over your makeup and let your makeup stay all day long. A lightweight primer is always important to get touch-worthy skin. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer is one of the best lightweight primers, giving you touch-worthy skin. Fenty Beauty has a range of universal primers that suit the overall type of skin and diffuse every pore to give a better foundation application with smooth, long-lasting makeup. Along with that, Pro Filt'r Primer gives an even skin tone and texture to your face. So that was all you needed to know for face primer tips and tricks for long-lasting makeup.
Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.